Why is it important mag-content pa yung mga negosyante?
Maraming mga content creators na eventually tayo ng negosyo and they promote the business. Meron naman mga tao na negosyante nag-start ng content creation business nila.
Podcasting is the most effective way to brand your company. Life over
Welcome
whiskey.
to another episode of Life Over Whiskey Podcast.
Life Over Whiskey Podcast. And they link their business. The way that they're generating revenue is by creating content. It attracts people.
Siyempre may mga bagong generation na darating o may mga bagong breeds, mas bata sa'yo. Kung yun ang binugbog nila sa marketing, sino ngayon na mas makikilala?
Digital age na ngayon eh. So kung hindi ka mag-a-adapt as business owners, saan pupunta ang negosyo mo? Di wala.
Pag create ka ng content, think of it as you're leaving a legacy. Because you can revisit those memories.
Yung social media kasi ngayon is my form of marketing. Naniniwala ako doon mga boss na dapat kayong mga CEO, meron kayong platform na gano'n.
Because now, businesses are seeing na meron talagang pera sa content creation.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening mga boss. So nandito na naman tayo sa pinakabagong episode ng RDR Collabs. At may makakatabi tayong mga negosyante. Sila po ay nasa creative industry. Siyempre, ang unang ipapakilala ko sa inyo, siya lang naman po ang may-ari ng production house na Paper Street. Gumagawa po sila ng mga commercials. Bukod po dyan, sila din po ang may-ari ng Ayo Advertising. Gusto ko pong ipakilala sa inyo, napakagaling na direktor, Direk Gerald. Hello, Direk!
Hello, Boss RDR, how are you?
Welcome sa ating show, ha? At syempre, mga boss, ito, napaka-pogi ho nito. Siya po ang may-ari ng Events Podcast Production ng Cloud Studio. Siya rin po ang isa sa lead technical team ng House Creatives. Kung gusto niyo mag-aral tungkol sa content creation, wala na ho kayong ibang pupuntahan kundi ang House Creatives. Meron po silang dalawa na binuksan na negosyo. Lahat ho ng negosyante, alam kong ito ang hinahanap ninyo. Isang magandang studio na kung saan po pwede kayong gumawa ng podcast through creative track. Makakasama natin si Boss Brian Ordiales. Boss, welcome.
Maraming salamat. Maraming me.
Napaka-innovative ninyong dalawa, no?
Walang limit ang creativity. It's only our imagination talaga.
So why is that ito ang pinili ninyong business?
Effortless siya kasi dahil passion mo siya. Yung mga bagay, it comes natural. And at the same time, alam naman natin, ang social media, namamayagpag. Dati kasi, para magkaroon tayo ng information, need to watch news.
Yes.
And then, dumating na tayo sa time natin ngayon.
Correct.
Na ang social media is accessible to everybody.
Napakalaking impact ng social media nowadays. Bakit kailangan ng mga business owners na magpagawa sa professional ng kanilang mga advertising paraphernalias like commercials, posters, billboards, mga pictures nila, photoshoot and all?
Not everyone is equipped with creativity or doesn't have the time.
Ano ang credential ni Direk Gerald?
Well, I started as a photographer, transition to videography, hanggang sa naging director ako.
More on experience-based.
And nag-aral din ako.
Saan ka nag-aral?
PICC. Nag-master ako doon ng Final Cut Editing. Technically, I'm a certified Final Cut editor.
Sina-certify pala yan?
Yes. Sa Hollywood, hindi ka pwede mag-edit kung hindi ka certified. Example lang yan na advantage of being a certified.
Yung Adobe Premiere ba may certification din?
Meron. If you are a licensed broker as compared sa hindi license, technically, you get higher commission for license.
Right.
And syempre, may bragging rights ka kasi pinaghirapan mo yun. And you have to spend money, not only time.
About social media and mainstream
Yeah,
media.
yeah.
Yeah, what's the difference?
Sa social media, minsan kailangan mo na ng fast-paced output. I would say it depends kasi marami namang social media content creator just like you.
Yes.
And Life Over Whiskey, of course, attention to detail pa rin. Siyempre, pinag-iisipan mo yung post mo. But there are times kasi na you need to out the video already.
Or else hindi ka magiging relevant.
Oo, kasi sabi nga lang, good is better than best.
Sa mainstream, hindi ka masyadong pressure sa time.
Pressured ka rin kasi example, magbibigay sila ng deadline, may campaign kami na ganito, kailangan i-deliver mo sa amin. Hindi ka full control sa creative freedom mo.
Unlike social media, ikaw, control mo lahat.
Yun eh. Kaya hindi ka rin napapagod. Kung ito ang creativity ko, ito ipapangit.
Yes.
Doon kasi dalawa kayo eh.
Correct.
Kumbaga yung kampanya mo at yung kumpanya na to.
Tanong ko naman kay Brian, as a podcaster sa Life Over Whiskey, napanood ko, nag-interview kayo ng mga artista, mga sikat talaga na tao din and mga business owners. What have you noticed sa reaction ng tao when it comes to your social media channel?
Kami kasi sa Life Over Whiskey, lagi namin pinaprioritize authenticity. We don't extensively research sa guest namin. The simple reason is because we want to experience that person authentically.
Sino-sino na yung mga nag-avail ng services for Cloud Studio sa podcasting?
I was able to produce kay Denise Laurel. Nag-set up na rin ako once for Will Dasovich. Meron na silang presence, but they just really wanna sit down,
Yes.
do what they wanna do, not think about all the setup.
Negosyante ako. Gusto kong maggawa ng interview, tawagan ko si Cloud Studio. Usually, magkano rate?
Before I mention the rate, ang pinaka-purpose right now of why you should be also on social media, mga drive ng tao ngayon, especially businesses, is to lead people.
Yes.
Meaning, CEOs ang nakikita in front. That's why you see Gary Vaynerchuk.
Exactly.
Pwede naman siya mag-produce ng content under his company.
Yes.
But he's producing content for his own self as well, and nililink niya yun sa company niya. Pero nandyan pa rin yung community development.
Alam mo, naniniwala ako dyan because naglabas ang BPI ng podcast type ni
Yes.
Jaime Ayala Sobel.
Exactly.
Bilyonaryo CEO yun ha. Naniniwala ako dun mga boss na dapat kayong mga CEO, meron kayong platform na ganun so that na ilalabas nyo rin yung value doon sa mga business partners nyo, franchisee ninyo, customers ninyo. Maganda yung may conversational talaga. Kaya ako naniniwala talaga ako sa podcast eh. As a matter of fact, dun sa ginagawa ko nga, I have created an opportunity behind it. Kasi sobrang ganda talaga nung naging response ng tao dun sa RDR Talks.
Maraming mga content creators na eventually tayo ng negosyo.
Correct, yes.
And they promote the business.
Yes.
Meron naman mga tao na negosyante, nag-start ng content creation business nila and they link their business.
Yes.
Because now, businesses are seeing na meron talagang pera sa content creation. So why not go there, create a new revenue stream, and then link my current business?
Why is that very important ang attention to details?
Branding mo yun eh. And also, that's the reason why merong image coach. Paano mo ba gusto i-present yung sarili mo? Gusto mo ba i-present yung sarili mo as kagalang-galang? Gusto mo ba i-present yung sarili mo as maangas? Di ba? Just like Andrew Tate. It's all about social media presence.
Yes.
Bakit siya importante? Number one, kailangan yung camera mo is mataas ang dynamic range. Dapat crispy. Dapat meron kang headroom for editing. With higher-end cameras, even the temperature, ISO mo, lahat mapapalitan mo kahit na-shoot mo na. Which is sa pag naka-bake in na yung ISO mo, sinet mo na siya, hindi mo na siya magagalaw. Number two, hindi lang yung camera ang gagastusan mo. Lente. Per lens, iba-iba ng character yan.
Character.
Yes. So what do I mean by character? Meaning kung paano siya tatapat sa skin tone mo. Di ba may ibang movie na makikita ka na parang 50s shina? Meron naman ngayon talaga sobrang digital look. Number 3, audio system mo. Kailangan quality rin. Marami siyang factor. Ilaw.
Yes.
Oh, katulad ng mga ilaw mo.
Most importantly is yung storyline.
Ay, yun ang pinaka-importante. We offer din kasi yung kami na rin na mag-iisip ng konsepto.
So wala na silang isipin.
Wala na. Even music. Usually, sa ating mga content creator, hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng mga music na walang lisensya.
Yes.
So, anong ginagawa natin? It's either magpagawa tayo sa ibang bansa, dito magpagawa, or we buy from a website, right?
Yes.
Sa amin, hindi. Kami na gumagawa in-house.
Kasi maraming mga business owners ngayon, gusto rin nila yung ginagawa ko eh. Now, the problem is, wala silang service provider. So, if you can actually provide to them, madali na. Pagdating sa directing, i-guide mo na. Uupo na lang sila doon, may make-up na lang, uupo na lang, magsasalita na lang kayo, pati pattern of questioning, paano lalabas ang show, pati logo, lahat na yon.
Yes.
Ayun yung gawin yun.
Yes.
Pati graphics, lahat. Pati photoshoot nila.
Lahat.
So, anong problema? Wala na.
Wala na. Sila na lang. Problema, budget nila kung willing sila. Malaking factor din kasi marunong kang gumastos. Kasi kung magsisettle ka sa less quality,
Yes.
and don't expect something na baka sabi mo, bakit may iba dyan, raw video? Well, meron lang siyang certain level na hanggang saan lang maaabot.
Yes.
So, ang nakakapagbigay ng buhay talaga sa mga video, sa mga pictures, is yung creativity behind it. Boss Bra, ito tanong ko sa'yo, no? Bilang content creator ngayon and a technical director, ano yung mga consideration dapat ng business owners kung halimbawa hindi pa nila kayang mag-avail sa inyo ng services? Ano yung mga pwede nilang bilhin?
We can do consultancy. We come in, assess yung studio space nyo or maybe your own homes if sa bahay mo na kayo nag-create ng content.
Yes.
Ano ba yung mga equipment na would fit dun sa intended purpose mo of creating content? Once nabili mo na yung mga suggested namin equipment list, then we can set it up for you.
Boss,
Yes.
may tanong ako sa'yo. Tinitignan ko yung setup mo. Alam ko agad yung production value mo.
Yes.
Bakit mo pinili na maging mataas ang production value mo na pwede ka namang isang camera lang? Pero bakit mo kailangang gawing ganito yung studio mo?
Because my follower deserve the best. At kung ikaw negosyante ka, kung meron kang values na gusto mo the best para doon sa mga magko-consume na i-upload mo, whether may manood o wala, gagawin mo yun. Kasi it would reflect your personality. Na makikita nila, ito yung mga gusto kong kapartner. Kumbaga, digital age na ngayon eh. So kung hindi ka mag-a-adapt as business owners, saan pupunta negosyo mo? Di wala. So ngayon, question, sinong alien ang nakipag-usap sa inyo para magtayo ng creative track?
Kaming dalawa ni Bri kasi we were talking about how to push boundaries in terms of podcasts and music production. Of course, Wishbus is an inspiration. But kami, syempre, we don't want to really copy them.
Yes.
Inspiration sila. Sabi namin ni Bri, one day, gawa tayo ng roving podcast and music production.
Remember, I had this conversation with you. It was during the masterclass batch 1. Sabi ko, we have this concept of bring podcasts to anywhere. That's one of the inspiration. Kasi matagal na namin talaga naiisip yan. Na why not have a roving podcast? So hindi ka limited to a physical studio space. Malay mo, Boss RDR. RDR Talks Tour.
Pwede kong i-represent yan. Kasi pagka hindi niyo ako binigyan ng special rate, gagawa ako nun. Gusto kong i-promote yan sa mga business owners na kasama namin. Kasi yun ang lagi nila tinatanong sa akin, Boss RDR, ang layo naman kasi ng studio mo. Ako na lang ang pupunta sa kanila. Pero better, sila mismo ang magko-content. Why is it important mag-content pa yung mga negosyante?
Siyempre, may mga bagong generation na darating o may mga bagong breeds, mas bata sa'yo. Kung yun ang binugbog nila sa marketing, sino ngayon ang mas makikilala? Yung nauna o yung mas malakas mag-marketing?
Exactly.
Lalo na ngayon, digital age na tayo. Lahat talaga computer na eh.
Exactly.
I think everybody is noticing the trend of businesses. Kahit TikTok nga lang person that I know who sells pastillas and she's making millions over creating content on TikTok content that's generating sales. Unique concept, may mga design sila na pastillas pala, may lechon na pastillas. The way that they're generating revenue is by creating content.
Yeah.
It attracts people. So I really believe that CEO-led businesses is the way to go, but also create a community around it. Because as a CEO, iba pa din na meron kang buhay na nababago, na
Right.
influence for the better. Pag create ka ng content, think of it as you're leaving a legacy. Because you can revisit those memories and maybe in the future, your kids will see it 10 years ago man na video.
Boss, pwede kitang tanongin.
Yes.
Negosyante ka. Bago ka maging content creator,
Right.
bakit ka pa rin sumasagad sa social media? Hindi mo na kailangan eh. Technically, kung
Yes.
you can raise a family.
Number one, gusto ko talagang mag-mentor. Yun talaga yung forte ko. Pangalawa, yung social media kasi ngayon is my form of marketing. Any business venture na papasukin ko is alam kong hindi ako madedihado dahil influence is power. Influence is power, whether we like it or not. Kaya kumukuha ng malalaking artista ang mga brand kasi may influence yung mga yon. May fan base yung mga yon. Kung meron akong gagawin, gastusan ko yung paggagawa ng content kaysa gumastos ako ng gumastos sa celebrity, sa influencers. Hindi sustainable eh. But if I have influence, if I would raise 100 million peso in cash, I can instantly do it in one day. Why? Because I have already built the trust ng mga business owners inside my community. That's how easy it is to raise funds, especially if you are an influencer. Yun yung power niya. Notice that ibinibigay ko na sa inyo ngayon yung access sino ang pinaka-reliable, reputable pagdating sa kung gagawa kayo ng content. Nandiyan ang house creatives. Kung wala kayong studio, wala kayong mga gamit, sino pwede mag-produce? Nandito sila, ang Cloud Studio, nandito si Direct Gerald para i-handle yung mga pangangailangan ninyo. I believe that 60% of the budget of business owners should be on the marketing side. Kasi marketing creates sales. And sales is the lifeblood of business. Here's my final question to both of you. What is your higher purpose? Why you wanted to create videos, photos for people na gusto nilang mapunta sa next level yung business nila?
Parang sinabi mo eh, masarap tumulong, masarap mag-mentor,
Yes.
masarap maging good example.
Right.
Kasi it feeds your soul. And ang masarap lang doon, kapag nakapag-create ka ng leaders na katulad mo at alam mo sa'yo sila nanggaling, ang sarap sa pakiramdam mo. Kasi alam mo you were a part of it. Lalo na pag mas gumaling sa'yo.
Ganda ng ginagawa niyo. Nakakatuwa. Boss Bri.
And so to you, likewise. Kasi syempre, iba pa din na you have shown up, shown yourself out there. That's one of the primary reasons why I do what I do. As I mentioned before with you, sanay kami yung nandiyan
Kayo yung gumagawa ng magandang output.
for other people.
Yeah.
Why are we here? Tama ka. It's a form of marketing. when we got together at sabi namin mag-create kami ng podcast, one of the reasons is we want to promote our business. Yun talaga ang initial at the end of the day. Kung ni-mention mo 60% should go to marketing, you can use that to create content. Hindi man siya agad magbubunga, but over time, it will and it can influence other people, again, for the better.
Yes.
You are the perfect example. Yung negosyo na nag-all-in ka in creating content, your intention was to support people, to mentor people, and look, ang dami mo natulungan na negosyante to improve their business. So marketing is very important, and to me, it's a way for me to leave a legacy. Preserve namin ni Direk yung mga memories. Babalikan namin to years from now and say, remember that guest? Yung conversations natin. And para sa akin, fulfilling eh. Lalo ka na, boss.
Ang galing din ang ginagawa mo, Idea, kasi personally, sa cyberspace, ikaw yung kilala ko na sa negosyo ka. That's why I'm really inspired by your work.
Thank you so much. Baka meron kayong gusto pang i-plug, no? I believe you're also in realty, no?
Yeah, with Arthalan Corporation.
Ano yung mga development nyo
So,
ngayon?
if they're looking for a sustainable developer, you know me, you know where to find me, Life Over Whiskey, they can message me. So, technically, we sell mga sustainable developments and high-end. Yun, we have in Makati, we have in Laguna, we have in Cebu, all over naman the Philippines we have.
Okay, thank you so much. Derek Gerald Esmail Zade. Ayan, kilala po yan, lalo na po sa mainstream, no? Boss, Brian, baka may gusto kong batiin.
House Creatives, RTD, yan, kilala natin. And as well as yung mga kakilala namin in the industry, lalo sa production.
Okay, so thank you so much mga boss. Maraming salamat sa patuloy na pagtangkilik, and also do not forget to click that notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga future videos. And also do not forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, and available na rin po lahat ng content ni Boss RDR sa Spotify. Kung gusto ninyong umupo katabi ni Boss RDR, mag-message lang po kayo o i-type ninyong RDR Collab. Baka kayo naman ang susunod na makatabi ni Boss RDR dito sa RDR Collabs. Muli maraming salamat mga boss, and God bless sa inyong lahat. Thank you so much.